Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we are talking about coin-operated LED fairy lights. There you go. These are 20 LEDs on a 2 meter or 6.5 foot string. Usually with the starter string, you're going to see them advertised around 7.5 feet. These are the warm whites. So in this video, this is what we're going to be featuring. We have already set up a couple of them here in the jar. We're going to turn off the studio lights at the end of the video so you get a closer look. So we've got them set up here with the little diamond beads, and then we have them just here in a red vase. Now we're going to set this one up, the masonry jar, with this particular set. You do get two CR2032s already pre-packed in all the actual lights, and they're easy to set up and operate. So if we wanted to put this one aside just for a second, we'll grab one of these and we'll actually put the batteries in it. So again, you just kind of flick this lid open here so you can get inside. It's pretty straightforward and easy. Bend this back because it is flexible. So there's a plus and minus symbol inside of the actual two trays. That's a positive, that's a negative. The tops of the batteries where the writing is, that's the positive. There is a little plus on there. We're going to put that down. We're going to take the second one and put it up. These are when you come time to replace them. And you should get yourself some extra batteries. It's always handy to have. And there you go, that's it. There's a switch on the side that allows you to turn them off, and you're going to get roughly about 2 days of continuous operation out of these batteries. So remember, if you're not using them, turn them off, so this way you can save them for your next event. And that's pretty much how these get loaded up. You're going to start with them all set, ready to go, hit the switch and off you go, but you are going to want to know how to replace them, and that's how you do it. 12 packs are handy because you can do all kinds of things. You can use some of them, all of them. It doesn't really matter. Now, when you get the lights, you are going to have to unfold them. They are very, very resilient. So when you get them, you just kind of like fiddle them out and fan them all the way across. And then you can do whatever you want with them. So again, we're going to set this up in this jar right here. So here we are. We've got ourselves all of our lights. Now, if this happens to be a straight out project you're doing and these are too long and you're worried, oh, I need something shorter, you can just take these lights and fold them in half to any length you want. I always say offset the actual lights like that, and you can just give them a little twist to get them started, and then you're all set. Again, because they're copper wire and it's clear, you can double them up like that, no problem. And now instead of having your lights spaced apart every 4 inches, they're now only going to be spaced apart every 2 inches. So get them in a masonry jar. This is, you don't have to, be anything dainty about it. Just, mush them up, get them random, just like that. Grab a masonry jar, stuff the lights inside that masonry jar. What I've already done is I've taken a little white electrical tape and I made a little ball. So I took this kind of white electrical tape, made a little ball in the lid somewhere so I can stick the actual battery pack. So if I want to turn it off, I just take the lid off and then screw the lid on. Voila, masonry jar with lights on. Now this would be awesome outside. You got a barbecue going on, you throw a bunch of those outside, it just looks cool. And again, 12 packs are awesome. Warm white, now they do come in a cool white multicolor option, so that's really up to you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the actual studio lights here, so this way we have just the regular lights, and see what this looks like. And there we go, that's our masonry, our little Firefly masonry jar. This is a red vase. We happen to have a hole in the back. I took time to learn how to do that. That's a very easy project. And I've, again, attached the battery pack to the outside so I can change them really easily. And that's the vase there. And here's another vase. And these, again, are just the little crystals. I just threw the whole thing in there, just like that. And you're all set. That's all done. It's as simple as that. And the best part is there's no power cords. There's nothing to worry about. This can be set up inside, outside. You have any event, there you go. And that is today's video. I hope that helped you in your buying decision today. Maybe we'll see you in the next video. I'd like to say thanks for watching and bye for now.